Hey guys, we are playing Walker Sons.
Now, this game's pretty fun.
It's been a long time since we played a Flash game for GeekPress. A few years, actually.
Hasn't been
Not
a few
years,
so months. Me and James played this as a kid.
Walker Sons.
Wait, how much? Well,
So,
1, 2.
maybe 2.
We'll play the whole game. So this video might be an hour.
Gumball was asleep, but it was too darn sunny. Gumball lost his school.
Gumball, it seems a little too common this game.
So Sun turned up with his own out to be So it looks like for Walker Sons, Gumball and Darwin co-op with friends.
I sometimes think in this game. Oh wait, actually, James, you might want to move it to the right side. No, James, you might want to move it up here. Huh? Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool telling you. Hey, yo, I've made Penny wet.
That's a first hit. Gumball and all those friends. It's a puzzle.
Become Darwin.
Press the space bar this one. Space bar. Just press it too. How could a ghost feel cold? Maybe a wall feel heat.
Nobody else feel warm. Just go for it.
It's a pretty good puzzle game actually, all things considered. Did you know Gumball has a huge crush on Penny, but they are both too coy to tell each other how they feel? Yeah, I did. Use your one to restart restart low level. Who does this game think I am?
A noob.
They must think I'm a real big player. This game must pick me as a quitter.
Go back. What was it?
Darwin was originally Gumball's pet fish, but after growing legs, he became part of the family.
I don't know if we should become the Darwin. That's what you need to do.
First of all, that, but what am I making now?
Don't fuck up your flows. Next. Yeah. Yeah, basically that.
Good, that's tea.
Also, I'm not a big fan of the animation, but not bad.
Hazards will help your balloons. Oh man, she sounds like a super vital. You know, well, puzzles are actually getting kinda hard. Anna Ace is the smartest member of family yet. But no one listens to her because she's four. She's four? She looks younger than that.
Swords on that.
At least in the earlier season, she sounded younger.
No, throw it!
Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw it in there though. What? Sure,
Listen, Darwin definitely
ain't no bother. Oh, okay. Look,
James, you make.
oh, poor Darwin.
What?
Making his girl win problem.
You need to restart. Did they really have to reuse characters that fast? I mean, they could make easier levels like Tina or
Sussy.
the big characters, and then make harder levels with smaller characters
Like,
like.
let's say Alan,
Yeah, but Alan's kind of medium. I meant more like
the toast guy, or iPad.
yeah.
Gumball's mother is a well-trained martial artist. You mean Nicole?
I remember this one's time, so you got me back. Don't be fast, just trouble. You only get 2, remember? It doesn't. James, I played this game before, I can remember.
Okay, it's probably opens. It says it's played at the open, so it's...
Did it come down? Throw it.
No. Why? It would be easier if you weren't standing in boxes!
One, try to one. Shut the up! What's that like? Fuck, but. Throw it!
Richard has been named the laziest person in Elmore since 1979.
I'll be it. James to the wall of this.
And in 1982, the summer of 83.
Wait, why are you doing it?
Someone else.
We're not gonna even replay this game.
Yeah, that's how it's perfect.
It's gonna take longer.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna play with it, but then we'll return to it to get the whole game done first. Oh, I feel like I have
Yeah, let's try that. Fine. Okay, let's restart because you. Did we go on top?
You're not cool at it.
She is pretty cool. And the one time she changed.
Yes!
The one time she changed her passwords and then walked away because they both exploded. Poor one, but still funny. Man, they're really weighing the girls and throw them.
Oh, he's smiling too. The poor bastard's getting caught. Okay.
No, James, what are you doing?
Only one shot.
No, you move it.
I know.
I mean, you like cork it.
Oh, I can't hit the beam pipes. Oh, you don't have any rocks, but what about one in your hand? Does that not count? Leave it to your big brother, Darwin. Let me do all work, you adopted fish. Fuck.
No, you adopted him.
Gumball's middle name is Christopher.
I thought it was Sack. I mean,
Okay, this game's actually kind of difficult.
Sack.
Christopher
No,
Morrison.
Sack Christopher Warren. Christopher Morrison. Or else known as Gumball. Like, I like Gumball, but his main color isn't even pink. I'm actually learning how blue bubblegum exists. You guys are probably thinking it's a toy, but still. Actually, when's Alan appear? This game played in that much acid. Ooh, you know what, never mind. I just realized how morbid that sounds.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, there's even the same colors, Alan. Oh, that's
Even that's where Alan is. The sun is about 93 million miles away.
So why is he so damn mad right now?
They're just running now facts to tell me about Dumbledore.
Well, I do actually reference him, but also Panga's a good one, right? I gotta get my big round banana moist.
Joseph.
Actually, I wouldn't even use to deal with jokes for no reason, because that's funny. What the fuck? How the hell? Barry Bean Benson is fucking
There's a fly. There's a
Throwing
window
up.
every time. That is a
Oh,
window.
poor Gumball. Poor Darwin. If these are mirrors, oof, his life is gonna be fucked.
The video like about Gumball is Gumball actually has a different playstyle than Bowler. Feels like his throws are more harder to do, because of all of those shits. But he's more focused on Rookie.
It's very true, so but the song Andy.
No, well,
Also, you know, obviously bombs are heavier.
where was I?
What's your favorite Gumballs?
Oh, I can't do it too. Gravity still.
It's just heavier.
Kai, please, just let me watch you.
If you wear it anymore, I think I'll have to call it a string. You know, for a new one.
Really help. You can be wet to like all my time.
Especially for someone who's quite literally dead.
My boyfriend's watching. I never really understood the effect of the robot. It's so random, you know? Like, I love to see where, you know, it's a bit fucked up, but it was funny.
Like, I do agree it was wrong with Darwin did, but
He is a kid. And
it's quite literally once in a lifetime. We're about to go down.
Gumball's favorite 2 game is the Tale of Selmore.
Oh, you have to go in there so something portal. Look how angry Gumball is. You have to be more gentle with it. You have to use weak from it. Like no, that's what you gotta do with froze. You gotta be gentle before you go.
Well, we got different girls like
In the throat. You do the take Gumball feels sad. You're probably gonna see his dog that much.
Darwin's full name is Darwin Gregor Crispin Abab Poseidon Nicholas Nicholas Walterson IV. Poseidon?
Poseidon's a reference to the Greek god and
Wait. It's bubblegum travel into Venice.
no, Darwin. Darwin is obviously a reference to the theory of evolution. How many doesn't believe in God? Let's go to the site.
Bias can change his color on command. White or easy time.
And second. Really? What would you really need it for?
Tobias likes a good job, but he's really a winner. Tobias likes.
Okay, we're gonna need to move us.
Level 14.
This level, it feels like it's gonna be a lucky one.
Win or don't. Win or don't win is the most popular game show in Alabama. Oh, come on. You're already recalculating levels. Okay.
I see.
First PHP.
I remember.
Gumball.
I bet we'll find one who's gonna have every character. Oh, man, okay. Fire!
Daisy the Donkey is Anais' favorite dog.
Sentient. Actually, I never went to Ghost level before, so it's the first time for me to change. You know, I bet most of you guys do not know Skin existed.
I bet we're gonna get away from it saying, oh, I love this game and put it in children's.
I know, but I imagine most of you generation.
Okay, comment if you played this game before.
And comment if you've never played this game before. Maybe you guys...
Let me read this. Banana Joe wears his peel like a shirt and has a closet full of spares. Yes, sometimes he just looks at it.
You know, guys, I didn't say it, but I actually have a closet full of human skins just in case I wanna...
Kill everything. That's not a joke,
My joke or your joke?
Sometimes we make our jokes.
What's your guys' opinion on the episode where Alan, you know, she goes, I kind of think she was being a little, you know, oh, she's been grateful for what she got. And I kind of feel like, honestly, to be honest, Gumball was not in the wrong. Gumball was being mean to her, but like, he just didn't want to play with her because he wanted to keep his loyalty to his girl. And at the end of the day, he got forced with kiss from Cactus. It was hurt. I really don't.
Joe is a great whisperer.
I really don't believe Banana Joe. I don't really believe Gumball was being a piece of shit.
I consider this much more productive than the one. I need to get useful power, but I also need to learn these things. This will give me a more
Try a rock. Even if it doesn't work,
I'm just gonna try and check what's supposed to do. Is 100% an idea for children a little?
maybe just to use wall power, like you said. Yeah, that is actually another Gumball game I played as a kid, so maybe we'll play that.
There's the one how Richard is pulled outside. It's about Richard stripping on a pole. What else could you say?
Also, there was a game where you save your friends from construction workers. You know, I was talking about construction workers on the show were kind of pitfalls. You save the other kids from them, so maybe my theory was proven right. Actually, I think you don't. What the fuck? No way, the rocks will have heavier physics. Okay, use weaker power.
What do these power-ups mean?
Yeah, power-ups are options.
They look like power-ups, right? Don't look like the kids you thought it too.
Did I?
Those are power-ups. They look like power-ups.
Annie's doesn't like you use the farm shot.
Annie's, why don't you help us?
Why don't you just corner herself off for us for fun?
Please.
You know, if this was an actual Gumball episode, it would fail horribly. Like, Gumball really even that's why I think Gumball can't really be put into a game like other characters can. You know what I mean? Like, a game isn't really as unexpected as an episode.
You know what? I sort of walked over some why I really can't do it.
What's your guys' opinion on Doctor Doom? I actually never realized his name. No, like an actual character name.
Okay, use a little less forcefully. It's like continually listening to a game like this, you actually start to doubt your words, because then you become an untrustworthy of yourself, saying, is it me that's bad, is it the game?
God, you know it's not you. You play beautifully art options. that was interesting.
This bitch should have grabbed it herself.
You know, I know people just walk all down there. You know, honestly, Penny's appeared so many times, I'm believing, honestly, this Gumball looking for her. I mean, come on, she's probably thinking, okay, I'm not haunted. Like, it's only one droplet of sweat. Yeah, pretty big droplet, but still only one droplet. So part of
Okay, pretty awesome.
I watched you walk through, so I can't see what's just continue. No, it's always got this all day to do.
This game. Yeah, so.
Fine.
Darwin calls his girl and pretty. She's still making more ambitious.
Those fish fingers.
I'm sorry.
Well, I don't. These are fucking loud games.
Honestly, I'm just crying now. I just don't care if Fuck you, you barbaric music friends! I hate you! I hate you so much! I genuinely despise you! I try and I try and I try. But when I don't try, when there's subject, I win. And look, I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail, look!
At least you got yourself caught. Gumball always wears a sweater. Like, wouldn't this be hot?
I'm sorry, but you understand, please.
What? I feel bad for Gumball sometimes. Because, like, in the lore, Gumball's close friend of the sewage. He says, this is my best clothes. This is my good sweater.
Yeah, I just think you've watched it many times, Gumball, don't worry.
And you has thousands of them, so, like, you know, what was your first one? And if you looked at there.
Just the fact that I wasn't down myself, I'm not gonna win. I'm not gonna win. I'm not gonna win. I'm gonna fail.
I mean, you're right. Okay, let me try.
You can try later. Try the search place.
Try it, I ain't never.
You don't see it. It's like you were for Dutch place. I can't believe that. So you go for Deep Press, like, that's all it's cringe.
Fire. No, download. Try the bomb.
Just try to be What the fuck?
Guys, honestly, I just don't think this one of the Yes, this happens when you win.
I told you
No,
about what I
it's
said. I'm going 100% of the game. It's
Wesley.
Banana Joseph's chance possession is a pain. He was playing the work open banana when he starts his family. I kinda like that, but so it was fucked up. It was good. Okay, we play his double. No problems.
At your window. No. Move us.
Oh, it's up there. Well, it's past. It's good. That was so easy!
Was it?
Penny is a peanut to a Vantos. No, she fucking isn't. She's like a spirit thing. Watch the show, you stupid dumbass. I know it came out before. Oh, for fuck's sake.
有聲情況見見我上到見啲係有，係我有冇見我有食老婆？Fire! Fire! 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 Okay.
Ironically, Penny is allergic to peanuts. There's 28 levels in this game. I mean, 30. So we're in level 20.
And guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm allergic to human flesh. And if anyone was allergic to like...
How do you know that?
So yeah, I just have to say, well...
Wait, why do I just... Why do I... Oh.
It's a game of
How did I win this first try for the Lord to actually try it? This game hates you. This game genuinely is about James Spy trying it later. This game is 16 years later, but this a YouTuber will be trying this game.
An asshole YouTuber like that. No, I cuss all of us YouTubers are assholes.
I don't think that's
Yeah, I'm gonna say Christian YouTubers, Terrestrial-based charity YouTubers.
I like that. But that's it.
No, go down. Fire! Fire! I'm not really a hater of Foxy was a good guy for you. I just kinda hate the name of Foxy was a good guy.
This was back on the community bar and also
Like honestly, if I had to get praise that he's checking for okay and then you have a heart attack. But honestly, Foxy was used to be one of the scariest fucking products.
How was still one of the scariest
Yeah, how he was broken in his chest, you know, like his world.
That's how I heard Foxy. Penny is a cheerleader, I believe, correct. Galwar Jr. So it's a portal. Pretty good level. Every single time there's a tutorial level or really easy. Penny has a pet tarantula named Mr. Cuddles.
Guys?
It attacked Gumball twice.
Whoa, check how much levels we have left. But I have to be honest, first of all,
This game's really fun.
this game needs to stop obsessing over Penny, because hey, yo!
Yeah.
Oh god, we're gonna fail. Oh no, it's gonna be so hard.
I have to play this shit again. Probably it's a little hard.
It's not, you know, it's not shit. You're probably gonna need full potions. Move us. Oh, it worked! I mean,
Richard maybe a dimwit. He dresses in a smart shirt tie every day. He does.
9 straight.
Every single one is up to Richard also loves practical which is good. It's good saying this is a fun game.
Yo, where the fuck? This really wasn't that hard. I mean, you know, of course.
Come Darwin, let's get to Bias first.
Game. I don't know. Some kind of game. I really want this. What we gotta get? Police station. The dress box that's coming tomorrow. And my leg was getting broken. I'll tell you. Yeah. No, please, no, we don't want Legos to be broken. Oh, please stop. That's what I'll say when my Legos are broken, if it does.
Darwin is Richard's favorite child. Well, apparently not, because apparently he's on ice. I mean, we know offense.
Well, actually, it makes sense for Darwin. I mean, Darwin,
Where do I?
when you really think about it. Really think about when Darwin and Gumball are playing, you did the but also, you know, Darwin really did change for his family. You get it? Because, you know,
Yeah.
he grew legs.
Thank
I mean, how
and
can
you.
That on my phone.
Carmen is one of the smart students in Elmo Junior High. I check your privilege, bitch! No people can afford a good education. Yeah, I know all cactus. Are you saying all cactuses look the same, James?
She was probably down, like... Poor Darwin, he's useless.
I hope the last level's actually good. Stop. Okay, stop.
Goddamn vocals with you. Goddamn.
Laugh myself at you. Fuck. Okay, let's start with Banana Joseph. Fire! Just stop clapping. Stop! I'm doing, I'm attacking too fast. This game isn't just a fighting game, this game focused
I get it, perhaps big, but you didn't, you know, you didn't see if it was big heads can go anywhere.
They do this every time! Come on!
Okay, just get her first.
I'm gonna get jealous.
But you can't get him. Wait, can you not do Banana Joe?
I did before. Okay, it's either I get it, it's just make characters.
Nice, don't blooming beetle, join! Fire!
The person who burned their house down because of that didn't even watch the show. Just they won't go to fence feelings.
What happened?
Person who burned their house up and beaten somebody never watched the show.
I think she would have found. Oh wait, no, she died. I think in heaven she probably thought, the show's pretty good.
I think she died.
She died in the fire, sadly.
No, she got out. That's why she said.
Yeah, but her sibling died.
Yeah. Carmen is crazy in love with Alan. Hello balloons. Hello Alan the balloon. Hello being the cactus. Right. Carmen is crazy in love with Alan the balloon. Although being a cactus makes it very hard for him to get close.
I don't think they should take. I don't want to send a ruler, but I think if you.
Wait, what's a blue portal?
Portal, huh?
Yeah, but they can't just
Yeah,
add,
become Darwin.
just add a new thing and just say, oh, well, it's fine. No, but when I play this game, I expect...
Is it just me if it's Star Wars? This might be the least favorite main character. You know what, guys, if we fail one more time, we do something to do a side dance. And honestly, how funny it would be, I don't want to do a side dance.
Carrie's last name is Kruger. What are you doing? This is a happy dance game, so it's sad dance. Yeah.
I know, so sad.
Press the word. Happy musical background. Get it? Kruger, Freddy Krueger.
I actually did not get it.
Come on, you can't just repeat the same puzzle.
Calm down, there's only like 2 levels left.
Stop
Yeah.
it.
Actually, let's check how much levels left.
No, we're just wait, this is this.
It's exciting. It's so close to the end. Because we've never been ever. You just got to shoot it before it goes.
No, because I think our game is too high. I reached you.
Fire!
I think his own worse than me.
Really?
I'm gonna kill a cactus first.
Alan?
Carry the cactus.
Oh, wait, should we move the camera? Actually, maybe we should. Too high, too high! Oh, no.
Where are you? Who was it going?
Where's the sniper help? So please.
Because even I would say I really feel like the walls of Rock Guardian look promising, but something about it doesn't look promising. It doesn't.
I'm on, I don't know where I'm on.
Just something about the game. Just the look sounded so promising. It was such a cool trailer and shit.
So, yeah, what was your guys' opinion on the stupid 25 years? Wait.
This tree!
You and me are about to make this game with me. I've been dreaming for 10 years.
16 years, bro.
I've been dreaming for 17 years.
Yeah, I really want to go. I always wondered for the end of this game will be. I hope it does have an ending, it does this. Yeah, you saved the day!
Realistically, Gumball was kind of fun making a sound, but he made everyone else up, so fuck him, man.
He forgot to make it himself forward. All Gumball does in this whole game is help other people, and nobody gets him respect. Now I ain't taking that shit. Yeah, Gumball. Darwin is also good.
I think Darwin was on tomorrow.
Does he?
No, I mean the
Just stop him. Shoot!
Hurrah! Shooter!
Really does feel
No, because it's on Hurrah. You try to get him.
Wait! Hey, yo, where?
This whole game is so sussy. It's good game.
So sussy. Sussy is only in the game.
So what the fuck is wrong with you? Well, let's get off
Just go with the way I know.
I mean, yeah, we have had a good game over and over. What 3 stars? Oh, level 28. And there's 40 lives. I don't need to worry. Is it?
Okay, if this is the end, then I shouldn't be grouchy. I'm in a bad mood. Let's see you do it, Josh. Let's see you. At least, let's see me on the airplane.
Yeah, where you see your wife, like, yeah, it's called life. Nah, I don't want to be like those emos saying, you lie about my man, we can lie. If you have to move it so you can see your
I think I've never said I'm next game with that one.
Get it, though?
Please. Do you believe Brandy's a poor dicker?
I'm saying move the camera so you can see him.
No.
It's all happening because you can't see him.
Do you believe Brandy is a poor dicker?
Okay, first explain what that means, because most people haven't watched on
well, she won't. There's a theory that she only wants Kyle for his roar.
Bro, look down, look down.
No, like his actual roar, not to be an audience.
Run! No! Shut your blimmin'
I did it. I fucking did. I knew I could beat you. You can't just fucking green. Fuck, you don't deserve arms. What I do,
Yo!
I mean, when you think about Gumball did blow his asshole, and I think that's the most kinky shit that he's ever been for. Look,
you fucking color changing motherfucker, bro.
I think you should have won the perfect color. too real? Yeah, probably too real.
I had a perfect shot. Then the camera.
You fuckers ruined it!
It's getting away to stop recording.
Actually, maybe it's good. Maybe it's good. Yeah, second chance. You keep going too fast. You keep rushing.
No, I'm going for her first, actually.
You keep rushing into his face. Fire!
Yeah, with Darwood says she will be mine. This is me 100% this game will be mine.
You know, I go on scene and I edit to the imagery god so long. You know, I know I make memes, but I'm not actually so
Yes! Gumball's mother has a nasty temper and sometimes gets a bit wild, so you don't want to push her to her limit.
Oh, you're mega brilliant! Okay, we're going to push them.
Bastards. They knew what they were doing.
I mean, it's really, it's kind of one of the
There's
easiest.
only one way to check which one of us is going to do.
Oh, poor him, you're gonna have to play his door with a bro!
Until the person gets to 10, you say.
Oh, poor.
Poor baby.
Poor Gumball. I mean, actually, after all this time being cucked
By this blue pussy! Now we can get some fish fingers. She can get fish fingers.
what the fuck am I saying, Mo? What? Addy, you shut your bitch ass up.
So we're going to take this. This goes to
Oh, you broke it. You broke the
You're
balloon.
meant to break it.
No, you actually physically broke the balloon. No.
Sorry, I was Did you tell we like Gumball?
Okay, pull us up. Put it above it. Crash us down.
You would not believe your eyes. Like tonight. I shouldn't. I should just go for. Cause I could tell you something nice. You would bring me in tonight. I should have my hair fixed.
Yeah, I didn't realize, but Gumball and Darwin kind of don't look like Gumball and Darwin. Physically, both
Darwin looks fine. Gumball looks. No, Gumball looks like an iPhone.
Yeah, I was thinking that was actually as well.
This is a cheater.
No, put it above it so it crashes down.
Let me show you. If I go there, it goes to him. Who goes on there? It goes like, why?
I guess we're in civil physics. I don't know.
Darwin only knows number 7, 5, 2, and 9. I really got that one.
Okay, so I'm gonna, me and James apologize in advance for listening last time I got. Well, you know, you could have just made that way quicker. Oh no.
This whole exchange Okay, Darwin.
Combo. Fire!
Oh yeah, I remember like she will be my lesson from. This one Gumball
We were the dress.
Darwin is the same sickness.
What the fuck? Shit on them cheeks.
That he has his rubbish piece. What?
Hey, no!
What?
Wait, what the fuck? Hey, what the?
On camera.
Waste.
You fucked up. I wish we had a little upgrade or something. A little close. I'm not even trying to make these faces. I'm just genuinely disappointed that we missed Spire again.
Fire! Fire!
Okay, you're a ghost. Banana Joe. Why? Why were?
You're pure
Potassium.
Wait, that left is dead. What's the picture? Potassium.
It's not a flash one.
Yeah, but
a flash one needs to be fast.
Yeah, but you made it fast, so...
No, fire.
I'm sorry for being a dick. Yes, how about cover your eyes? Now you try it.
No more.
You actually won.
Come on! Every single first try I get is so great. Every single second try, it's like this game beats so much suffering somehow.
Like a big one, suffer enough.
It's like the game knows I was good, and now it knows that it wants me to suffer.
You know, listen, I know you may suck at it, but you shouldn't be mean to yourself.
Maybe I don't suck. Maybe I truly am my own worst enemy.
Well, he's only up a few seconds faster.
Elmore is a population of 20,000. I don't know how. I truly am my own worst enemy. The moment I say I'm bad, just how?
Are you down bad for yourself, Will?
What I'm saying I'm badless. Wait, no, I have to explain what happened. When they say I'm badless, it's a moment that everything goes good. You know what? I'm a kid of Elmore. Truly, I'm a kid.
Wait, I don't know if it's a final one.
Yeah, but just flat. I'm a kid. Okay. 20,000? Really?
I don't believe
What
it.
did she say? Oh, you beat the heat! Fucking hell. Thank you. What did I get for it? I guess I got a... chat?
What?
I guess I got a the background of others. Chat.
Definitely. Thank you guys. Actually, seriously, a great game.
That was fun.
Now let's go into this adventure. One simple thing.
Bye guys!
Boy!